My favorite badam halwa. Ha 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 ha. So, ये बैंगन को जला डाल पका डाल और इसे direct flame पे. You can cook this on charcoal or even on a direct flame. At the same time, you also cook green chili. Even this green chili, little bit burnt, will give a very good flavor for this rasa kind of eggplant chutney. Now, when it is nicely burnt, it will become nice and soft. और अब देखो लगता है ये बैंगन बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया, जवान बैंगन बहुत ही बूढ़ा हो गया, क्या बोलूं? You know, look at this, it is nice. Then what we do is, when it is nice and hot, you put it in the cold water and remove off all the skin. अब ये बैंगन को आराम से मसलना है. You got to, add green chili, these burnt eggplant, onion, and lot of coriander. Also in this, add salt. And now all you need to do is just squeeze it hard, and all of this green chili, everything kind of get crushed, and you will have a nice paste. In this, add tamarind water and make it slightly watery. Add pinch of sugar, and of course I need to add some more salt and mix this well. You can enjoy this as such, or else you can do a tempering also. Add some oil in the pan. Now add mustard seeds, jeera, a little bit of turmeric, hing. And in this, add curry leaf and do the dance. The chitapata chinukulu padu. Add, and that's it. Very simple tempering, and this rasa will go excellent with the khichdi. And this recipe is pressure cooker tomato chutney. It is very easy, very tasty. We are going to add very little oil. Do not add too much. In this, add red chili, add garlic, add little bit of tamarind, not much, little bit of tamarind, add green chilies, and also in this add tomatoes. Add water, add some salt, put the lid on, and just 1 or 2 whistles. Later we are going to make the chutney out of it. You don't need to do the tempering, make it, and that will be very tasty. Badam halwa is one of my favorite, and especially with the Pongal and all that, you eat little bit of badam halwa, it's heavenly. Here is the badam. I'm going to add some milk and make it a coarse paste. For making this recipe, we are going to use ghee, and for 2 cups of badam, use at least 1 cup of ghee. Ghee should not become hot, and you should pour this mixture, the badam mixture, into this. In the ghee that is just warm, you have to add the badam paste. Cook this with some patience. Okay, all the ghee will be absorbed by this, and this will take around 7-8 minutes to cook. The mixture has to get slightly transparent, means the mixture will start looking cooked. Only then we are going to add sugar. Don't rush and add sugar now. So keep cooking on a medium flame till this is nicely done. This halwa reminds me of all those beautiful days in Chennai. Keep stirring it continuously till you will see these bubbles will form and these bubbles will break. Now one of the signs that the mixture is cooked is it will stop sticking. When you see that the mixture is stopped sticking and some of the ghee kind of thing is coming out, that is when we are going to add sugar. Suddenly when you add sugar, it will become nice soft once again, and let the sugar also melt. In this, you can add saffron. You can add saffron into this, or saffron water. This is perfect. Look at this. Keep cooking, and you have to cook to a point when this whole mixture will start shining. And whenever I make a sweet, always add pinch of salt, very little, just pinch of salt. That will also enhance the taste of the sweet. And when this badam halwa is nice and cold, it will become soft and so wonderful. There was a time when I used to work in Chennai. In the hotel we used to make this. Whenever I pass by that kitchen, I'll take a spoonful and eat. That used to be so heavenly. This mixture, kind of becoming like the halwa mixture, and it is still soft. This mixture, you got to put this, and when this gets cold, I'm telling you, this is God's blessing. Just finely shred the badam and put it on top, and this will be just out of the world. Many people say this dish was created by him or somebody, but I believe that this Badam Halwa is created by God himself. It is so wonderful. The Rava Pongal, add the moong dal that has been soaked, 4 times the water we are going to add. In this, add salt. We are going to let this dal cook. Now, in a pan, add 1 cup of suji, and you can also use the bigger rava, and I am just using the regular rava, and let this slightly roast. The simple roasting will give nice fragrance to your pongal. Put the hot rava into this, and immediately much of the moisture will be absorbed. Add finely chopped ginger and let this cook. This has to be like a little bit similar to halwa, so just on a slow flame cook. But the real taste will come when you put the tempering. Look at this. Beautiful, nice, soft, and dal is also almost about to mash. Leave it at that level, and we're going to do tempering for this. For the tempering, add some oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add peppercorn, add cumin seeds. In this, add pieces of cashew nut. So slowly roast them, and now in this add hing, curry leaf, and pour this on top of our rava pongal and mix this. Everything is ready. Let's serve the pongal. The pongal is ready. Let's call in Queen Victoria. Breakfast is ready. The hotel style, we put it in a glass bowl, and then I'm going to do this ulta fry technique. The bangan ka rasa, and this is hot, nice spicy, and also the tomato chutney. Just make a well here, and pour in the hot tomato chutney. The awesome badam halwa is waiting for you, but you have to finish this first. Okay. Okay, the burnt green chili flavor in this is going to be super. This eggplant chutney, is really, really good. It has got such a awesome taste.
Crunchy onions, smoky flavor.
The crunchy onions, the smoky flavor. My God, my favorite badam halwa. So, this is, isn't it?
Rich.
So good.
Yummy.
Rich, full of love. So, everybody gets their own spoon to lick it afterwards. When you eat this good, you got to say, ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding. Badam halwa is the queen of all halwas. Queen Victoria, Queen Halwa, Badam halwa.